Hello friends, if you are an NRI who has qualified NEET UG this year and are planning to seek admission to MBBS, BDS or BSc Nursing through MCC Counselling, this video is for you. Now, carefully select the NRI under the nationality option. If you want to apply for an NRI seat, click Yes. After that, under NRI Priority, select Priority 1. Fill the application form as shown in NEET UG Counselling 2026 Tutorials, Part 1 video. Now, click on the Upload Documents Images option and upload all the required documents. The list of documents you need to upload will depend on your NRI nationality and eligibility. Now, the NRI candidates have to upload all the required documents as shown in the Upload Documents section. Ensure that all documents are clear, valid, and uploaded in the prescribed format before proceeding to the next step. Once you successfully upload all the required documents, a pop-up message will appear on the home page. At present, your document verification pending from MCC. Because of this, the NRI seat option may appear unavailable during choice filling. Once MCC completes the document verification process, the NRI seat option will automatically become available during choice filling. For further assistance, please contact MCC. Thank you for watching. All the best for your counseling and your future medical journey.